Okay, we are going to see the definition of one-to-one and onto function. Okay, so first one-to-one function பார்க்கலாம். A function f from a to b is said to be a one-to-one function if x comma y belongs to a. Okay, so we assume that x is not equal to y, which implies that f of x is also not equal to f of y. Okay, so let's see again. If f is the function from a to b, we take two elements. Suppose in question itself they given the elements. Okay, if functions we'll see later. Suppose they given the elements, two elements, we assume that x is not equal to y. Then to prove that f of x is not equal to f of y, then f is one-to-one function. Okay, suppose in question itself they given the functions. So function கொடுத்திருந்தா f of x value கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா we assume that f of x equal to f of y. Then to prove that x equal to y, okay, if x equal to y we get the answer. Then f is one-to-one function. Okay, I repeat, if f from a to b, x and y is given, we assume that point கொடுத்திருந்தா not equal to எடுக்கணும், function கொடுத்திருந்தா equal to எடுத்துக்கணும். So here they given the point, then f of x equal to is not equal to f of y. Okay, so in otherwise same f from a to b, they given f of x, then we assume that f of x equal to y, which implies that x equal to y, then f is one-to-one function. Okay, next onto function. So in onto function, same f from a to b, a belongs to a and small b belongs to b, then f of a equal to b, f of a equal to b, b is the range of b. Okay, so இதோட values எல்லாம் range b ல வரணும். So f of a equal to b ன்னு வந்துச்சுன்னா it's onto function. or நம்ம டயக்ராமில் இதுக்கு எல்லா மேப்பிங்க்கு இருந்ததுன்னா இங்கே எல்லா elements have the pre-image, all images have the pre-image, then it's onto function. If any one elements is not having the, or any one image does not have the pre-image, then it's called not onto function. Okay, all images have the pre-images. Okay, so now images, pre-images definition last videos le பார்த்தோம். So here this is a diagram. Suppose you take a natural number, f is the function from n to n. So இங்க 1 2 3 4 இருக்கு, இங்க 1 2 3 4 இருக்கு. So all this is image points. Okay, this is image point, this is pre-image point. So all images are pre-image, then it's called onto function. If any one image does not have the pre-image, it's called not onto function. Okay, example 1.17. if f from r differ -1, 1 to r is defined by f of x equal to x minus x square minus 1, verify f is one-to-one or not. Here we are going to prove that f is one-to-one or not. No need to prove that onto. Okay, so if f from r to R differ minus 1 comma 1 to R is defined by f of x equal to x by x square minus 1. Verify if f is 1 to 1 or not. This is the question of example 1. Solution on example 1.17. Let f of x equal to x by x square minus 1. They given that f of x equal to x by x square minus 1, and we are going to prove that we take f of x equal to f of y, and we are going to prove that x equal to y. But here they given two functions, x by x square minus 1. We assume that y by y square minus 1 is f of y. We take f of x equal to f of y. F of x equal to f of y. F of x value x by x square minus 1, and we assumed f of y equal to y by y square minus 1. And next we are doing cross multiplication here. Okay, so here cross multiplication, x into y square minus 1 and y into x square minus 1. Okay, next we get x into the bracket, x into x y square, x into y square, x into minus 1 minus x, y into x square, y x square, y into minus 1 minus y. Okay, so next we arrange that, we transform this y into x square minus y into the equal, other side of the equal, so it becomes minus y x square plus y equal to 0. Plus y x square here becomes minus y into x square, and minus y becomes plus y because we are transforming the term. Next we arrange into in order xy, multiple of xy in y and x. So in multiple of xy terms, we take x into y common outside, we take x into y commonly outside, so then it's become y minus x. Okay, so here no need to take any number, so y minus x as it is equal to 0. So in these two terms y minus x is common, so we take outside y minus x and xy plus 1 equal to 0. So here we have two terms, y minus x equal to 0, y minus x equal to 0, and xy plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, x into y plus 1 equal to 0. So from the first equation we get x equal to y, but we have only x equal to y. The statement is 1 to 1, but we have another term x into y equal to minus 1. So x into y equal to minus 1 means y equal to minus 1 by x, and which implies that f of x equal to f of y. We get one number, but here what happens, f of 2 value and f of minus 1 by 2, we take any one value. Here I take 2 and minus 1 by 2 because x equal to 2 means x equal to 2, and in second term y equal to minus 1 by x. Okay, y equal to minus 1 by x here. So let us assume that we take 2 f of 2 value is 2 by 3 from the equation x by x square minus 1. This is 2 square, so 2 square minus 1. Okay, so it becomes 2 by 3. Next f of minus 1 by 2 value also 2 by 3. Okay, f of minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1, minus 1 by 2 by 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4. So 2 cancel, so here numerator denominator 2 cancel 2 times, so it becomes numerator, so 2 by 3. So we have f of 2 value and f of minus 1 by 2 value same, so this is not 1 to 1. I show in the diagram f of minus 1 by 2 value and 2 value also 1 by 2, so this is not 1 by 1 to 1. That's the sum. They want to prove that 1 to 1 is only. Okay, I repeat. First f of x equal to f of y, we have, suppose we have x equal to y, then the f of f is a one-to-one function, but here they given the one function, so we take f of y is y by y square minus 1. Next cross multiplication, and we get x into y square minus 1 and y into x square minus 1. So we get into the bracket x and y, so it becomes x into y square minus x equal to y into x square minus y. Next x into y square and minus x, we keep it as it is here, but we transform this one other side of the equation. So then it becomes this equation. From the equation we arrange in orderly. So first xy containing term, next x and y containing term. So first in xy, x into y containing term, we take outside x into y from first two terms. So it becomes x into y into y minus x plus last two term, we keep it as it is. In two terms y minus x is common, so we take outside y minus x, then x into y, here only 1 is there. Okay, then it becomes x into y plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore from these y minus x equal to 0 or x into y plus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to y or x y equal to minus 1. Suppose from these we have two conditions, x equal to y1 and another one is x into y equal to minus 1. Okay, so here xy equal to minus 1, then y equal to minus 1 by x. So f of x into y equal to is there, but we have another term f of x equal to y. So in these conditions there are, see for example, if we take 2 1 minus 1 by 2, 2 1 minus 1 by 2, okay, we have same value, f of 2 value. This is for example only. So I take here 2 1 minus 1 by 2, because if we take x value 2, here y value in first term x value equal to y value, in second term y value equal to minus 1 by x. Okay, so first I take the f of 2 equal to 2 by 3, next minus 1 by 2. Suppose we take 3 and minus 1 by 3 are the same value, or 4 minus 1 by 4, f of 4 and f of minus 1 by 4 value also same. Okay, so this is not 1 to 1.